Today we chase living ice in Argentine Patagonia.
El Calafate feels quiet until the glacier wakes up. Fuel first, then ice.
Mate is the local superpower. Glacier sun is brighter than you think.
Rule 1. Protect your highlights on the ice.
Hola, buenos días. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
We're heading into... It hits your chest like a drum.
It's a city of ice.
This is a 60-meter wall of ice.
Underexpose a touch, keeps the ice from blowing out.
Even the lake is full of ice music.
Look, don't mess with it.
Weather changes every 5 minutes here.
Sugar helps when the winds steal your energy.
New angle, new shades of blue.
Even the signs remind you, this ice is alive.
Bienvenidos a bordo, por favor, tengan cuidado al subir.
Next, getting closer by boat.
This is the up close button.
That wall keeps growing as we move.
Everyone turns into a kid out here.
Oh, I know.
You can hear it melting and breaking at once.
That one was right in front of us.
Ice confetti. Ice confetti.
This is the closest I've ever been to a glacier's heartbeat.
Wind test, still standing.
Sunset makes the ice look gentle for a second.
Don't want to leave.
Back to town, still hearing that thunder.
Before dinner, quick stop at the Ice Museum.
Understanding it makes the beauty hit even harder.
Okay, drinking in an ice room is peak Calafate.
It's minus 10 degrees Celsius inside, so we're in ponchos like astronauts.
This smell could fix any cold day.
After glacier wind, this is survival food.
never-ending icy memories.
Tomorrow's mission: step onto the glacier.
Clear sky, perfect ice day.
Buenos días a todos. Antes de empezar nuestra caminata, es crucial repasar la seguridad.
We're doing a guided glacier walk, safety first.
Bienvenidos a bordo. A la derecha pueden observar el lago argentino, el más grande de nuestra Patagonia, y más adelante el camino hacia el glaciar.
Primero, pónganse el casco y asegúrense de que las correas estén ajustadas.
Helmet on. This is getting real.
Tienes que apretar esto aquí. Ahí.
These spikes are our ticket onto the ice.
From rock to ice, two worlds touching.
That sound, it's like stepping on glass.
Cuidado con esta grieta. Manténganse alejados del borde. Sigan mi línea. Siempre es lo más seguro.
This is the closest thing to walking on another planet.
Blue ice is just unreal. You can literally see time trapped in layers.
Espaldas dilantras, álgebra ver acrobacia. No es para acrobacias, solo para control.
Quiet moment, then the glacier speaks again.
Cold air feels sharper up here.
Espacio.
Slow feet, no hero moves.
It's insanely dense, like holding cold stone.
That thunder again, somewhere on the face.
Wow.
You don't just see it, you feel it.
Back to rock, legs still vibrating. Crampons off, souvenir sound stays.
Look at the scale of it from here.
Yeah, it's breathtaking.
After walking on it, it looks even bigger.
Feels silly until you need proof it was real.
Sending a piece of Patagonia home.
One last empanada, because rules.
Day 3. One more chance to catch the big break.
Same street, totally different energy.
Taina breakfast, big glacier day.
Wind, glare, cold, pack for all three.
Ice reflects everything, especially sun.
Back to Los Glaciares, let's do this right.
There it is, blue wall, round 2.
Boardwalks are the cheat code here.
Mini quest. Can we predict the next carving? See that dust? The wall is talking.
Quick tip, slightly underexpose. Save the ice detail.
waiting for the same thunder.
You can watch the shockwave.
Quieter spot, better listening.
If you can hear it, it might be about to fall.
Even the lake is full of tiny instruments.
Look only, this isn't a souvenir bin.
Boat time again, closer but still safe.
Como pueden ver, el viento viene directo de la montaña. Por eso el barco se mueve un poco.
Strapped in, now we chase the blue wall.
Wind plus water with Theard, Patagonia's signature. Up close, it's less pretty, more powerful.
That one had a real echo.
It's wild, cheer, then instant silence.
Tiny pieces from a giant world.
If your brain can't scale it, good.
Last loop, then we say goodbye.
Goodbye. Knowing how it moves makes it even crazier.
Golden hour turns the ice almost gentle. Little rivers on a wall of ice.
I think this corner is about to go.
That's the one, Patagonia's thunder.
Look at those waves, like the lake exhaled. That boom stays in your body.
Okay, mission accomplished.
It literally reshaped the wall in seconds.
Everyone leaves a little quieter.
Last look, don't blink.
Even the exit signs feel dramatic here.
Sunset says, it's time to go.
Proof it happened right there.
Patagonia's colors change faster than your thoughts.
Back to warmth, one last reflection. If I don't write it now, I'll forget the feeling.
Warm hands, cold memories.
I keep replaying it like it's a song.
Even at night, Patagonia feels wide.
That ice walk left its signature on my boots.
Packing feels unfair after days like this.
Leaving El Calafate, but the glacier still stays loud in my head.
Patagonia doesn't wave goodbye, it just gets bigger.
We chased the blue, heard the thunder, and walked on living ice.
3 tips. Underexpose, bring layers, and wait for the sound.
Layering. Layering beats heavy coats. Patagonia changes fast.
Keep detail in the whites. Ice should have texture. Mate tastes like Patagonia. Bitter, warm, honest.
If the glacier is the headline, the wind is the soundtrack.
One tiny thing from something impossible.
These walkways let you meet the glacier safely. Use them.
My boots earned this. Perrito Moreno, thank you for the thunder.
If you ever come, give it time and let it surprise you.
See you in the next adventure.
Turn up the volume. This is glacier music.
Follow the lines, and the wall appears.
Spec signs. This place is powerful. Warmth tastes better after cold. Patagonia. Blue, wind, thunder.
Subscribe for the next wild place.